Hi my loves! In this reading, we will going to have love reading. Love reading with message from your person. So in this reading, ang focus ng energy is kung ano yung next phase nyo ng inyong person within separation. Kung aantayin mo pa ba or magdedepende ka ba sa sinabi niya or ila-let go mo na ba. So dito we will going to channel the messages from spirits kung mag-hold back ka pa or mag-move on na. By the way, bago tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform. And if you feel resonated with my energy, please visit the link in the description box. This will be your person. And another message, so with the strong guide, ito yung be true with yourself, the strong guide. Also protection, very protective crystals. So spirits are telling you na you are protected and ilayo ang inyong sarili sa mga toxic vibe, sa mga toxic situation. Okay, so let's see the situation first. Ano ang focus ng connection na to? Love, joy, surprise. So, meron tayong rose card dito. Love, joy, surprise. Fear. Ayan, meron tayong dito fear, unknown, uneasy. So, talagang masasabing mahal mo talaga yung taong to. And energy. So, abundance, wealth, and freedom, my loves. So, the focus of this reading ay here na since na kayo ay in separation, so nandun pa rin talaga yung love, ito pa rin talaga yung sabihin nating kaligayahan nyo. And in this relationship, my loves, maaaring natatakot kang maiwan sa darkness, natatakot ka na talikuran, my loves. So, I also hear na feeling mo tinalikuran ka. Tinalikuran ka or sabihin natin tinakbuhan ka. So, pwedeng yung person mo, siya yun. And masasabi natin na out of this colorful roses ay bigla na lang naging black. Pero dito, my love, sa future energy natin, I hear dito na lahat na nangyayari na situation sa inyo ng person mo is may upcoming abundance, wealth, and freedom. I also hear na once na nakaya mo itong mga challenges or hamon sa relationship ninyo is mayroong maganda, may positibong hatid after this darkness. So look, papunta ka na doon sa light, my loves. I also hear from this rose. Sobrang ganda ng kulay niya, my loves. Look kung saan ka papunta. Maaaring doon sa light na yun, eto, naghihintay yung abundance, wealth, and freedom. So, pwede natin sabihin na despite of this darkness na nararamdaman mo, uneasy na nararamdaman mo right now, is merong katumbas or may naghihintay into the tunnel or into the yung dulo ng path is yung abundance. Ito, look at the energy here. Napaka lightning niya and dito, my loves, burst of freedom. I hear na ma-appreciate mo rin yung freedom because of the blessings at pouring blessings na paparating sa'yo. Okay, so let's say more clarifier about this situation. Since na meron nga ditong tumalikod, meron ditong tumakbo. So, ano pa ang meron or naghihintay sa relationship na to? Kasi, alam niyo yung, andun yung joy, andun yung love, tapos bigla ditong dumating yung darkness. Biglang parang hindi mo na alam kung saan ka patutungo. Hindi mo na alam kung hanggang saan yung dulo ng challenges ng relationship na to. Uneasy, yun ang pwedeng nararamdaman ninyong dalawa, parehas. Unknown, pwedeng yun ang nararamdaman nyo since na kayo ay sabihin natin curious about the next phase. Parang feeling nyo nasa darkness kayo parehas at hindi nyo alam kung ano na ang posibleng mangyayari sa inyo. But always remember that dito sa darkness na to, may naghihintay na liwanag. So, kung kayo ay nakatadhana na maghiwalay right now, maaaring may dahilan kung bakit. Okay, so let's see more clarifiers about this relationship. Okay. So, ito yung tatlong card na nahulog natin. Lockdown, the Dawn, the Wish, and Pretending. Okay, so maaari din isang involved dito is about the living beyond means or yung materialistic or sabihin natin material things, earthly things. Pwedeng yun ang isa sa mga dahilan. Pero dito, my loves, you are involved to someone or ikaw mismo mental prison or confined. My loves, I hear dito may lessons learned, may lesson na kailangan talagang iserve. So dito sa ini-inquire natin kung magi-stay ka ba or ano ang next phase dito, my loves, malalaman natin ang next phase kung masaserve itong lockdown na to. Look, your wish, your manifestations, kung masaserve siya, my loves, itong lockdown na to. Kasi, my loves, look, pwede din yung partner mo ay hindi, fake living beyond means, pwedeng hindi din kinakaya kung paano siya mamumuhay. Pwedeng iyon din ang dahilan, my loves. Pero dito kailangan, my loves, you have to complete the lesson. You have to complete the lessons learned in this connection. So ibig sabihin, my loves, you have to let this go kasi done ang nakalagay. So kung tapos ka na dito, maaari mong ma-manifest itong energy na to ng abundance, ng wealth, and freedom. So dito, my loves, I hear na if you are mentally prison, maaaring itong wini-wish mo na to is may magkaroon ng blockages. And also, isa sa mga lessons learned ninyong dalawa ng person mo is dito, sa pretending. Dapat magpakatotoo, kagaya ulit ng sinabi ko sa Shungite, be true to yourself. Kung hindi mo kinakaya kung paano makisama sa yung person na to, so be true to yourself kasi yun ang isa sa naging problema kung bakit kailangan yung talikuran ng isa't isa. And wish coming true, I hear that, my loves. So, kailangan ma-serve talaga muna itong purpose. So, dito, my loves, pwede din na kung gusto nga niya munang mag-ipon, kung gusto niya muna talagang i-challenge yung sarili niya. Kasi dito, my loves, pwedeng meron siyang gustong lifestyle na hindi niya magawa. Pwedeng hindi hindi iyon yung pinapangarap niya. Pwedeng ganun din sa'yo, my loves. Pwedeng masaya siya kung natupad yung kanyang plans in life. So, dito you have to release. You have to release this person or relationship in order to complete. Kasi, dyan natin malalaman kung talagang mamamanifest nyo ang isa't isa. Pero alam nyo, my loves, dito may manifestations dito. Wish coming true. Meron dito, my loves. So, masyado lang kayong natatakot dahil hindi nyo alam yung posibleng mangyari sa inyo. Pero ito kasi ito yung kumbaga, yung pretending na to, yung nag-hold back sa inyo Kung masaya ba kayo, kung colorful ba ang inyong relationship, kung akma pa ba yung pagsasama ninyo. So, pretending. You have to be done, or ano ba tawag dito? Kailangan mo nang matapos dito sa usapin na to. Parang, I hear na kailangan, tapusin mo na muna yung issue na to. And iba na yung dapat fokusan mo ng ideas at saka ng isip mo, my loves. You have to be, or you have to get done with this. Okay, so let's see more. Let's see more clarifier from this person. Kasi dito maaaring sa living beyond means na yan, pera ang naging dahilan. Pwedeng bata pa kayo at marami pang gustong tuparin itong person mo. Marami pa siyang pangarap and plans na gustong mangyari. Pero dahil sa sabihin natin kung meron man kayong mga plans, pwedeng na-set aside yun. Pwedeng ganon din, my loves. So, let's see more clarifier using our tarot cards. Yes, ang sagot. So, dito, my loves, completion. I hear, my loves, kailangan talaga i-lockdown na to. Kailangan talaga. So, you have to let them go. You have to isolate yourself from them. Kasi nandito yung success and achievement once na na-accomplish nyo to. So, dito, my loves, itong sense of belongingness na to, lumalabas din yan sa reading kung magkakabalikan pa. Yes. Andun pa rin, my loves. Completion with the World card. The wholeness, my loves. With the King of Cups, mamamanifest mo ulit yan. Or kung sino talaga yung deserve mo na King of Cups, you also hear na kung hindi siya pang King of Cups, you can also manifest the mature, compassionate male version of him. So, ibig sabihin dito, my loves, pwedeng sa next phase ninyo is more matured na siya. So, in order to serve that or in order to happen that particular na person na maging mature is kailangan nyo rin talagang talikuran itong relationship na to. Kailangan nyo ding tapusin or ma-serve yung lesson. Kasi kung hindi nyo i-let go ang isa't isa, hindi masiserve yung purpose. Kung bakit kinakailangan yung maghiwalay. Yes, with the King of Pentacles ulit, my loves, napakaganda. Mature, grounded. So, kailangan mo talagang i-isolate ang sarili. Kailangan niyang mag-isolate para sa better version of him. Mature, grounded male ulit, my loves. Pwedeng siya to, nung may takot din, my loves. Hindi niya alam kung anong posibleng mangyari sa kanya sa future. Pero iyon yung gusto din niyang mangyari sa sarili niya. And eto, the justice or the karmic justice, consequences, my loves. So dito, the cause and effects, life lesson, double my loves. The life lesson, double. And the lessons learned. So, kailangan talaga, my loves, na siguro maging matapang siya. Baka habang nandyan ka sa tabi niya is, ayan, kaya ang hirap hindi niya malaman or sabihin natin kaya hanggang ngayon you are facing fear, pati din siya, my loves. I also hear na takot din tong person na to because lagi kayong magkasama or nandyan kayo sa isa't isa, and this time hindi nyo nakasama ang isa't isa. Solo nyo nang haharapin yung lesson, yung challenges in life. Pero dito, my loves, napakaganda oh. May completion and wholeness pa rin dito, my loves. May success pa rin dito after ng darkness na to. Meron pa rin wish fulfillment and mamamanifest mo pa rin yung taong para sa'yo. Because you are meant to find someone mature, compassionate, male, matured, grounded male, successful and wealthy. Maaring ito yung gusto din niya na mangyari or mamanifest sa kanyang sarili. And dahil doon, my loves, kumbaga, masaserve yung life lessons. Kasi kung hindi siya nagmamatured habang kasama ka, spirits or universe are, sabihin natin, intervening. Kasi nga, hindi ma-serve yung life lesson. Hindi ma-serve oh. So, kinakailangan pa na dumating kayo sa part ng darkness na to para mahulma yung matured version of him. Double king ang lumabas natin, my loves. Double king ang lumabas sa ating cards. So, ibig sabihin, ito din yung gusto niyang i-manifest. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya. Gusto niya para sa sarili niya. So, my loves, kung patuloy kang mag-hold on, kailangan sabayan mo din yung kanyang evolution. Kumbaga, may tendency na kasi dito parehas lessons learned. Kung hindi mo kayang matapatan yung evolution niya, my loves, may tendency na ikaw naman yung maiwan and hindi pa rin magtutugma yung energy ninyo. Okay, so dito, my loves, habang i-shape niya, kumbaga iginaground niya ang kanyang sarili, ganun din dapat ang gawin mo. Kasi itong lessons learned na to ay para sa inyong dalawa. You have to take this, you have to complete this, cause and effect ng mga naging pinagsamahan ninyo, ng mga naging challenges ninyo, my loves. That's the cause and effect. Kung ano man yun, naging healthy ba or hindi, that's the cause and effect of your relationship. So dito, nandito din ang truth. So if you are nabanggit, kung sinabi niya nga na nag-iipon siya or kailangan niyang mag-ipon, kailangan niya muna maging successful individual, successful male, or successful individual. So dito, my loves, I hear na yun din talaga target niya. Totoo yung kanyang sinasabi sa'yo na kailangan niya munang maging stable. Pero ito, my loves, kung iniisip mo, na compassionate to, may pagmamahal talaga, may nararamdaman din ito, mahal ka din ng taong to because of this King of Cups. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, maaaring ito ay kasama na rin sa fated destiny ng relationship niyong dalawa. Kailangan nyo munang maghiwalay kasi nga double life lesson ang dumating dito. But after ng life lesson na to, nandyan ang hope, andyan ang wish come true. Kung ano man yung minamanifest mo about your love life. So, dito kung kailangan mo na siya i-let go, my loves, it's a yes. So, most of our cards are yes ang sagot. So, ano yung next phases? Let's see. What's next? What's coming next about this relationship? Engagement ring. Nahulog ang engagement ring, partnership. Commitment, my loves. Union ulit. Nakatapat siya dito sa ating world card, which is the wholeness and sense of belonging. And then, nahulog ang engagement ring. What's next pa? Twin flame, my loves. Lumitaw na naman ang twin flame. So, complement each other. So, kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina, kung siya hinuhulma niya ang sarili niyo habang inseparated sa'yo, you have to counterpart or you have to, yung tapatan mo yung level, my loves. Hindi pwedeng siya lang ang mag-evolve during this separation. Dapat, my loves, paghandaan mo rin yung inyong union. The love, unconditional love, andun pa rin, my loves. So, kahit na naghiwalay kayo or maghihiwalay kayo, kinakailangan yung maghiwalay. Andun pa rin, my loves, yung pagmamahal. Andun pa rin yung oneness and the soulmates. My loves, napaka-powerful ng connection na to. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, si universe na ang nag-intervene dito para ma-serve kung ano man yung lessons. Para ma-serve, my loves, yung lessons learned, yung life lessons dito, my loves, kinakailangan. Because sabihin natin, during your partnership, nang magkasama pa kayo, hindi healthy ang relationship na to. Kinakailangan maparealize muna sa inyo kung ano talaga ang kinakailangan ng isa't isa. Kailangan nyong mag-evolve individually. Kagaya din ng sinabi before, na pwede kayo, you are, sabihin na natin, fortunate enough kung nag-evolve ka kasama ang partner mo. Pero kung hindi yun nangyayari, habang kasama mo yung partner mo, at hindi ka nag-evolve, hindi ka hindi mo na ipapasa yung challenges sa yung spiritual awakening, may tendency mag-intervene si universe at kinakailangan kayong paglayuin para ma-serve kung ano talaga yung purpose nyo sa isa't isa. So dito, for the next level of your relationship, nandyan ang engagement ring. Nandyan din, my loves, yung twin flame connection. So even na you are in separation, talagang andun pa rin naman yung connection, andun pa rin yung fated red string, andun pa rin yung union, my loves. And I also hear the unconditional love. Also, bago mo yan i-share or panitilihin, you have to maintain your self-love. Andun, my loves, I hear talaga na andito union, andito din yung oneness. Diba nabanggit ko na din kanina, the wholeness dito. So, my loves, meron pa rin talaga kayong union. Magkakabalikan pa rin kayo, magkakaayos pa rin kayo, but matured version of your, matured version of your relationship. My loves, nandyan na yung twin flame, lumabas pa yung soulmate. So, obviously, you are destined to this person, but dito, dun sa next phase, di ba yun yung tinanong natin kanina dyan sa deck na to. So, sa the next phase nyo is, andyan nga, lilitaw yung engagement ring. Pero ano ba yung challenge dito? You have to let them go. Ibig sabihin, hayaan mo sila. Hayaan mo tuparin niya yung kanyang mga plans for himself. Hayaan mo tuparin mo yung mga plano mo para sa iyong sarili. So, ibig sabihin, ano ba yung healthy? Ano ba yung ina-advise at pilit na pinapagawa sa'yo ni universe before? To love yourself and to avoid the possessive energy. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. Kasi kadalasan, kaya pinaghihiwalay ang dalawang couple. Kasi, dahil sa possessive energy, dahil sa obsessive energy, yun ang kadalasan, lalo na sa mga dito, yung tinutukoy na life lesson. Ano pa ba? Kung ikaw ay overprotective, pwede din ganon. Mas mawawala sa'yo ang partner mo kung ikaw ay overprotective or possessive. Pero dito, apakaganda ng next phase. The engagement ring meron, you're still nandun pa rin yung attraction, my loves. Hindi mawawala. So, kung iniisip mo na ang pag-let go is to entertain someone, I don't see na hindi ka darating sa phase na yun to entertain someone, because dito, ang tinanong natin, what is the next phase? So, nandito yung engagement ring. Andito yung twin flame, love, and soulmates. So, ibig sabihin, nandun pa rin yung union sa inyong dalawa. So, dito, ang separation na to, ang kailangang ma-serve dito is the completion. Yung kailangan nyo talagang gawin para sa sarili ninyo. Katuparan ng mga individual nyong pangarap. Okay? Okay, so wala naman lumitaw dito na mga involved sa relationship na to. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung may mga dito sa cards natin, they more on union and lessons learned ang lumitaw. So, dito, my loves, I also hear na nakatattoo na yung pangalan niya, or sabihin natin yung person na yon sa heart mo. I also hear, my loves, you have to empower your manifestation skills. Kasi, meron ka dun. Ang tanong, nagpo-focus ka ba sa mga ganong bagay? So, maybe it's time for you to harness your power to manifest your dream life without this person, or your dream life. Kung ano ba talaga yung pangarap mo bago mo nakilala yung person na to. Pwedeng ganun din eh. Kaya ito sa matured version of him, pwedeng meron siyang pangarap talaga, lalo na pangarap niya nung bata pa siya, na hindi pa niya natutupad with you. So, maaaring universe helping you to achieve that goals individually, my loves. Pwedeng kayong dalawa yung nagiging blockages sa mga kanya-kanya yung manifestations. Okay, so let's see more clarifiers for this situation. Ano pang meron sa energy ng dalawa? So, kung halimbawa nakikipagkita siya, nandun pa rin eh. Kasi, ayun andyan pa rin attraction. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, kumbaga, napupul nyo pa rin talaga ang isa't isa. Pero, habang magkahiwalay kayo, samantalahin nyo, my loves, yung pagtupad ng inyong mga pangarap. Mga individual na pangarap. At kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung patuloy ka magpo-focus sa nakaraan ninyo, mas nahihirapan kang tuparin yung pangarap mo. Kasi, may tendency na andyan pa rin yung union, and magkaroon pa rin kayo ng problema sa next union nyo kung hindi ulit magtutugma yung inyong energy. Kung halimbawa, ikaw naman ang gustong makapagtupad ng iyong dreams and siya fulfilled na, may tendency hindi kayo maging level. Okay? So, habang ngayon you are in separation with this person, tuparin mo din yung evolution na kinakailangan ng yung soul. Kasi nandito din yung energy ng iyong abundance and freedom, my loves. Finances, mind on the money, my loves. Kasasabi ko lang, abundance, wealth, freedom. So, mind on the money, pwedeng iyon din ang naging problema. Pwede din yung partner mo, ayaw niya nang basta lang kayo mamumuhay. Gusto niya maging provider. Gusto niya munang tuparin lahat ng pangarap niya. Soulmate na naman, everlasting, my loves. Lumitaw na naman. So, I hear na kung matutupad ninyo parehas yung pangarap nyo, you're such a powerful couple, my loves. Kasi ambitious din itong person na to. And eto, my loves, the endings. So, dito, kung kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kung hindi nyo matutupad yung mga, yung evolution na kinakailangan, yung mga callings na kailangan nyong gawin, may tendency, my loves, na dadating ulit kayo sa endings. Kasi, yun at yun pa rin yung kailangan ma-serve doon. yun pa rin, yung life lesson, my loves. And pwede din, my loves, na yun nga dahil sa pera, yung soul connection na to ay kinakailangang mag-separate. Yung soul connection na to, kinakailangan mag-separate because of the money issue. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. So, kung iyon ay hindi nyo, kumbaga, para sa'yo, okay lang naman na gano'n na meron kayong hardship, meron financial windfall, pero sa person mo hindi. So, marami pa siyang pangarap na gustong tuparin. Gusto niya sa isang family ay gano'n. May tendency, my loves, na egoistic siya. Kasi nandiyan din yung King of Pentacles. Gusto niyang maging stable and maging provider. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung ito ang magiging problema nyo, my loves, may tendency talaga yung soul connection na to ay magkaroon ng endings. So, ngayon pa lang habang magkahiwalay kayo, my loves, habang tinutupad niya yung pangarap niya, ay tuparin mo rin yung pangarap mo. Be true to yourself. Ano bang gusto mo? Ano bang pangarap mo nang hindi kasama yung person mo? Be true to yourself, pakinggan mo kung ano ba yung gusto mong tuparin. Kasi yun din yung ginagawa ng person mo. So, you have to do the same. Kung ano yung pangarap, kung paano niya tinutupad yung pangarap niya, tuparin mo rin yung pangarap mo, my loves. Kasi, kung hindi yun mangyayari, yun yung pwede nyo maging problema. You have to mind the money. Mind on the money. Focus on the money right now. Since na magkahiwalay kayo, yun ang kailangan mong pagfokusan. Because you are meant for that financial freedom, my loves. I also hear, sabi ko nga na, nabanggit ko na, the powerful couple, my loves, may tendency din na yun yung pangarap niya. Gusto niya pag mayroon siyang pamilya, sagana siya. Stable siya. Okay, so ngayon, let's see. Sisilipin natin yung energy ng isa't isa. Okay, so since na eto yung iyong person dito sa gawi dito, let's see. And dito sa left side naman, yung sa'yo, my loves. Your soul wants to communicate with these messages. Okay. What your hearts believe in this connection. So, dito, sa portion na to, my loves, kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan nyo pa or yung gusto nyo pang makita sa relationship na to. Okay. Ano pa ang pinaniniwalaan nyo for this relationship? Okay, nahulog. Sige, ito yung ating card. Layo muna natin dyan. So, for your person, ito ang kanyang pinaniniwalaan. At ikaw, let's see. So, yung person mo, boundaries. Having sensible boundaries is important, my loves. So, yun yung pinaniniwalaan niya sa inyong relationship. Kung iyon, my loves, ang nagkulang sa inyong dalawa, maaaring iyon din yung naging cause. At ito na nga yung effect, ang inyong separation. And, my loves, your soul is preparing to reconnect, trust in the process. So, iyon yung iyong pinaniniwalaan right now. So, kumbaga, my loves, preparing to reconnect. Your soul wants you, or your higher self wants you to prepare. Just trust the process. You have to trust the process. So, kumbaga, hindi mo kailangang mag-grip, hindi mo kailangang hawakan ng obsessively itong relationship na to, kasi naturally, you are meant for this connection. But, your person dito, gusto niya ng may boundaries kayo. Maaaring ito ang gusto niya, space, na hindi nyo hawak ang isa't isa, pero still nandun yung pagmamahal because of this affection and attraction. So, my loves, ngayon pa lang, isipin mo na, ano yung boundaries na kaya mong igalang at gusto mong ibigay, kaya mong ibigay sa person mo. Kasi maaaring yung person mo, dito sa boundaries, pwedeng nasa kalto, pwedeng nalimitahan, pwedeng hindi niya pretending, hindi niya nakuhang magpakatotoo sa kanyang sarili. Pwede din na nandito din yung controlling factor, my loves. So, boundaries. Let's see their messages. I don't react when people mention you. So, right now, ayaw ka muna niyang pag-usapan. Siguro, maybe, doon sa family niya. I lost myself for a little while. And I wish things could be different, my loves. So, kahit siya, my loves, right now, into the darkness din, na hindi niya ina-expect ano na ba talaga ang mangyayari. Kumbaga, right now, they feel lost. Maaaring din na epekto ng kanyang career. Let's see your message. You were the best thing in my life. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. I wish I could share my good news with you. So this is the messages from your higher self. So my loves, one heart still preparing for reconnection. One heart preparing for reconnection, and one heart still lost in the darkness. So they feel lost. And umiiwas siya sa issue ng sabihin natin kung ano may issue right now, umiiwas siya, my love. And dito, true love. Ito yung nalaglag kanina. True love comes when you least expect it. So, kung di ba nawawalan ka nga ng pag-asa, nag-hold back ka, hindi mo alam kung ano na pwedeng mangyari pag kayo naghiwalay, but the true love is true love, my loves. And ayun na naman yung roses. So, masasabi natin, andun ka, andun yung reconnection. Andun din talaga, kung natatakot ka, kung hindi ka na mamahalin ng person mo, your person mo still in love with you, still wants to be whole again. Kasi, nandito yung wholeness eh. You complement each other. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, yung completion na to, hindi siya buo. Kasi kayong dalawa yung bumubuo sa isa't isa. Pero kailangan niya, gusto niya, or kailangan niya ng boundaries. So, maaaring yung boundaries na yun, yung kailangan niya right now para matupad yung version ng sarili niya na pinapangarap niya. Let's see more messages from this person. So, this is deep conversation from your higher self and their higher self, my loves. Okay. So dito, best self. I want to be my best self to you. I am working really hard to level up for you and meet as your equal, your mirror. Ayan na naman, my loves. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, you are mine. We are meant for each other. There is no one else in the world who would ever replace you. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, my loves, yung wholeness nandun eh. Right now, hindi kayo kompleto dahil sa separation na to kasi this person still believe in that connection. We were made to be together. We are destined and I am yours and you are mine only. We have done this before and will do it again, my loves. This person still looking at you or with you in the future because kagaya ulit ng sinabi ko, they trying to be their best selves. They're trying to evolve for this connection, for this relationship, for these responsibilities and obligation. I know we will always grow together, but I want you to be proud of who I am today. Punong-puno siya ng insecurity, punong-puno din siya ng pangarap, my loves. So, maaaring dahil sa relationship na to, may tendency na kaya ginusto niya ng boundaries dahil marami pa siyang gustong tuparin. At doon sa mga tutuparin na yun, my loves, confirm na kasama ka. And this is from your higher self. I miss you. From your higher self, your message for him, I am missing everything about you. Your eyes, your smile, your voice. Your scent, your touch, I am missing everything. Remember how we have connected physically over our lifetimes together. So dito, you still evidently na miss mo talaga yung person mo. Pero in this energy, alam niyo yon, habang tinutupad niya yung pangarap niya, alam niya, confident siya na sa kanya ka. Habang namimiss mo siya, itong taong to, nag-evolve, trying to be his best self. So, my love for you is boundless and unconditional. I miss you being next to me. Wherever I go, I search you everywhere. Afraid, my loves. Pwedeng sa'yo talaga yung fear din na to. When you are not with me, I feel afraid. I am afraid to let you down. Once you get to know me, I don't want to disappoint you. So I am avoiding you. I have to overcome this and myself as you see me before coming forward ready. So, my loves, nandun din yung takot. Takot, I also hear, takot na malagpasan ka rin niya. Takot na ma-set aside ka niya sa future. Andun yung takot din, my loves, na maiwan ka. So, my loves, dito, kagaya ng sinabi ko, sabayan mo siya. Eto, nasilip na natin eh. Yun talaga gusto niya. Gusto niya mag-evolve. Gusto niya ng boundaries kasi gusto niya mag-evolve. Gusto niyang tuparin yung kanyang pangarap, working really hard to level up. Yun talaga, my loves. So, nasilip na natin to. You have to level up too. Kasi dito may afraid dito eh. Natatakot ka. Paano kung mag-level up nga siya? Paano kung hindi na kami pantay? Paano someday kung hindi na niya ako kailangan? Paano kung hindi ko ito ma-overcome at siya na-overcome niya? Maraming reasons to afraid. Pero my loves, eto yung pagpapalakas ng loob mo. Your person still believe that you are meant for each other. So, kailangan dito betterment for yourself. Working out with yourself. Okay, wait lang. Ito pala. So, okay, message from your person. I'm sorry. My loves, alam niya na saktan ka niya. Alam niya na I just wish things were different. Dalawa na naman, my loves. Hindi niya ginusto yung mga nangyayari. Hindi niya yun gusto. Look, oh, confirmation. I wish things could be different. I just wish things were different. Alam niyo yun yung parang, kumbaga, kung siya ipinanganak lang ng mayaman, kung siya ipinanganak ng spoiled, parang, kumbaga, okay na, perfect life na. Kung yung situation niya, hindi yung situation niya right now. Kasi, dito may love's confirmation, okay siya, satisfied na siya sa love life niya. Satisfied na siya doon sa love girlfriend or partner na meron siya. Pero meron pa rin challenges na dapat niyang i-overcome when it comes to their personal reason. So, double confirmation, my loves, and they are feeling sorry because they admitted na meron talaga silang nagawa. Hindi niya ginusto itong separation na to, pero kinakailangang mangyari. I'm too afraid to talk to you. My loves, dito, parehas talaga kayo natatakot. Kaya nga nandito to, parehas kayong takot eh. Hindi nyo alam mangyayari, hindi nyo alam. Pwede din na itong afraid to talk to you is about dito sa they are pretending. Oo nga, my loves. Meron siyang, hindi niya ma-i-open din sa'yo lahat-lahat. Meron siyang hindi ma-i-open sa'yo. So, they are afraid to talk to you about that. That's why, umabot din kayo sa ganitong separation. Maaring yung mga insecurities din niya, hindi niya kayang i-open up. Pwede din, my loves, na nagkaroon ng limitasyon when it comes to openness about the problems personally, about the work. Pwede din right now, my loves, ngayon they still afraid because alam nila na nakasakit sila. They still afraid na malaman nila na halimbawa, naiinip ka or ano na yung decision mo or ano na yung demand mo for this relationship. Natatakot siya malaman na ile-let go mo siya. I also hear na natatakot siya kung ano yung decision mo. So dito, my loves, you can decide according to this kasi andun eh. Wala ditong lumitaw na other reason, other people or other party na involved dito. Dito may love situation talaga ang problema. And the boundaries. Yun talaga yung naging problem sa relationship na to. So let's see the next phase of this soul connection, of this twin flame journey, of this twin flame ancession. The Holy Grail 44, this confirmation sa iyo to, my loves. Receive the gift. My loves, I hear the reward moment. Once na napagtagumpayan nyo parehas to, my loves. Look, the 44, your ano tawag dito? Angel number 44, wag mong bibitawan, my loves. The Holy Grail. Nandun na, the next phase of this relationship is to receive the gift. Ibig sabihin, my loves, mapagtatagumpayan nyo to. Itong challenges na to, mapagtatagumpayan nyo to, my loves. The Holy Grail. Look at the chalice. The chalice sa tarot symbolize ng the cups ng love, ng passion, ng feelings, my loves. And you will going to reap the reward. Yung sacrifices na to, my loves, you will going to receive the gifts. So, my loves, ang kailangan nyo lang mapagtagumpayan nyo. So, isa sa mga challenging talaga ang separation, my loves, kasi marami na din, hindi na kayo magkasama. Pero panghawakan mo yung kanyang sinabi Kung sinabi niya mag-iipon lang siya, panghawakan mo yun. Hindi yun dahil sa ibang tao, dahil sa third party, hindi yun dahil sa kalayaan na makapag-chat siya sa iba, hindi. It's all about the money. And after na sabihin natin i-let go mo yung kaisipan mo sa mga ganong kinatatakutan, my loves, pagtagumpayan nyo to, if you if you trust the process, my loves, ito, my loves, you will going to receive the gift. Yan yung next phase ninyo. The reward moments. Despite of these sacrifices, my loves, integration, multidimensional healing, lumitaw din, my loves, the multidimensional healing. So, ibig sabihin, lahat-lahat, my loves, ng wounds, hindi lang sa taong to, hindi lang sa love life, lahat, kailangan ma-heal. And the mirror reflection, my loves, the karmic purge, andyan na. Ito na yung life lesson. Ito na yung cause and effect ng lahat-lahat ng mga lesson na hindi na-apply during your union, during your sabihin nating partnership. Ito na, my loves, yun, the karmic purge. So you have to pass this test, this challenge. You have to tapusin, make it done. Heal, multidimensional healing in order to receive this gift. Pero I see na pagtatagumpayan nyo to, lalo na kung mababago yung mindset mo. Kasi kung ang mindset mo or kaisipan is kagaya pa rin nung kaisipan na kasama mo siya, na kailangan ganito, kailangan ganon, my loves, mahihirapan kayo na pag nagtagpo kayo, ganon na naman ulit yung magiging problem ninyo. So, dito, my loves, obviously, meron, napaka-challenging. Kasi ito na yung cause and effect ng lahat-lahat na hindi nyo napakinggan ang isa't isa or na hindi nyo pinansin lahat ng red flags. Ito na yung cause and effect. Create. You have to be more creative, my loves, during this time of separation. Protect your energy. So, limitahan mo din yung iyong access dito sa person na to. In order to cultivate the respect, my loves, and sounds. So, habang mag-focus ka, my loves, sa sarili mo, i-heal mo lahat, and using the sounds, my loves, mapagtatagumpayan mo yan. You have to heal. You have to heal. You have to protect your energy. So, boundaries, my loves. So, kung ano man, focus your energy. Kung meron ka pang ibang tanong. Caution. Find out more information. Don't overwork yourself. So, dito, my loves, have balance. Kailangan pag-aralan mo pa, paano mo pa i-heal ang sarili mo. Paano mo aalagaan ang sarili mo? Look at this card. Paano mo i-heal ang sarili mo? So, dito, my loves, I hear the burnout. Pakiiwasan yon. So, don't overwork yourself. Hintayin nyo ang isa't isa, my loves. Make yourself healthy habang wala siya. Okay, so Gemini, Aquarius, the air sign, my loves. I also hear your mentality, kailangan maging healthy. And someone's got their eye on you. You are doing your research. Oh, paki-stop, my loves, itong spying. So, you have to cut the cord. Kung meron ka mang, kung patuloy mo pa rin siyang sinusundan, ini-spy, that's unhealthy for you, my loves. Okay? So, very challenging. But you have to make a decision. Work on your inner healing at huwag mag-spy. So, that's the challenge. You have to decide kung kaya mo ba na malayo siya, wala ka masyadong balita, na hindi ka always available sa mga text messages. Yung, alam mo yon, yung nakabitaw, wag hindi ka masyadong possessive Kasi dito, sinusundan mo pa rin. So, iwasan mo yun, my loves. You have to let that go. You have to focus on your multi-dimensional healing. Mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo, my loves. Okay. So, dito, spying. Anong masasabi ng person mo about this? Dahil, kumbaga, andito pa rin yung spying. Let's see. Be optimistic. Kasi, spying. So, your person wants you to keep in mind that you create your reality. You can't attract love with a negative mindset. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung ano yung mindset mo before nung magkasama kayo, your person wants you to be more optimistic. So, paki-avoid yung negative mindset, yung mga fear, paki-avoid itong possessive energy na to, my loves. I-avoid mo yun, baguhin mo yun kung ganun ka before. And let's see, right now, energy ng person na to. Love energy ng person na to right now. Love energy ng person na to right now. And yun, what you need. So, bukod sa boundaries and sa dito, anong kailangan nyo para mag-heal kayo during this time of darkness and isolation? So, kailangan ng person mo for self-love at kailangan mo for self-love. Okay, so during this time, playfulness. So, gusto niyang i-enjoy ang moment, my loves. And, yan, true love, lumitaw na naman. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, they want to enjoy this life, this separation. This is romance. This is the romance of a lifetime. But at the same time, gusto niyang mag-enjoy to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun. So dito, yung person mo sa love life, gusto niyang mag-enjoy, ayaw niyang mag-hold back, ayaw niyang mapuno doon or mag-stay doon sa sa pain, ayaw niya. So during your separation, gusto niyang ma-enjoy, gusto niyang maging secure. Kasi ito pa rin yung pinaniniwalaan niya, kagaya na sinabi ko sa iyo, my loves. Naniniwala siya na you are there. You are connected to them. They own you. Yun ba yung tamang term? So, alam niya may special connection talaga kayo, my loves. The true love. So, kung tinatanong mo, may feelings ba? Yes. Sabi ko nga, mahal ka ng taong to. Okay, what they need right now is to use their hands and to connect with their passion, my loves. Pagkasi ito lumilitaw, lalo na sa self-love, connect with the wounds is more on creativity. So, kailangan ng taong tong bumalik sa pagiging creative niya or gisingin yung kanyang creative energy. Okay? So, during this time, my loves, naniniwala siya, gusto niyang i-enjoy, gusto niyang tanggalin yung takot, my loves. And, ang kailangan niya para mas mag-heal siya, mas ma-develop ang kanyang, para mas mag-evolve siya is, mag-focus siya sa creativity using their hands. And, ayan, my loves, creativity. So, sa'yo naman, my loves, let's see. Ay, teka lang, ito muna. Trust. You have to trust, my love, and gusto mo ding magtiwala. passion. Allow your heart to soul to sing with joy. So my loves, talagang yung andun talaga eh. Dito gusto ng person mo na andun pa rin yung playfulness, andun yung chill, andun yung vibe na kung saan magaan pa rin kayo sa isa't isa because that is true love. Ikaw gusto mo magtiwala. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So, pang tatlo na yan, my loves, to trust the process. And eto, my loves, be more passionate. Okay? So, sa ano na to, sa relationship na to, be more passionate. Pag sinabing nandi passionate, love lang ang nararamdaman mo, walang controlling, walang restriction. And make a vision board, my loves. Iyan yung kailangan mong gawin right now. Make an altar. I hear, my loves, na kailangan mo talaga makipag-connect sa iyong ancestors. Kung hindi ka naniniwala doon, my loves, you are connected to your lineage. Kung sino man yung angkan mo, kahit hindi mo pa siya nakilala or na-meet, you are connected. One of your guardian is from your lineage, my loves. Kasi dito make an altar, you have to focus on your spirituality. You have to focus on your deep connection with yourself. Kasi mas mabilis mong mamamanifest lahat-lahat sa'yo, lahat-lahat ng mga kailangan ma-unfold kung ikaw ay connected and grounded to your roots. Okay, so make a vision board kung wala ka pang vision board, my love. So habang nililibang mo ang sarili mo, hinihil mo ang sarili mo, ano pa ba ang gusto mong makita this year? So ito si person mo, creativity, more on creativity ang kanyang pagkakaabalahan para ma-heal niya ang kanyang sarili. Okay, so let's see. Saan yung ito? Dito ba yun? Ayan. Advice from spirits for both of you. So, ito ay advice ni spirits para sa person mo. At ito ay advice niya para sa'yo. Also, spirits wants you to embody, or ito yung i-embody ng person mo after this separation or during this culmination and evolvement. So, your souls wants you to radiate with this energy. And let's prepare na rin the final pull for this connection. My loves, kung meron ka pang ibang tanong, yes or no question, focus your energy habang sinashuffle natin to. Habang pinapanood mo to, focus your energy. Ayan. At here's the answer. So, nakafocus na ba ang energy mo, my loves? Okay. Don't stop. Let go, my loves. So, kung ano man yung mga sabihin natin, pwedeng yung toxic traits mo, pwedeng yung weaknesses mo, you have to let go. And don't stop doon sa mindset na before kanya iniwan or tinalikuran. Don't stop. Don't stop evolving, my loves. So, kung ano man yung iba mo pang question, kay spirits, eto ang sagot. Let go and don't stop. Maaaring sa pain, sa wounds, yun tinutukoy, my loves, and they want you to embody the spirits of armadillo. Set healthy boundaries. Yun din naman ang gusto ng person mo, di ba kanina? Set healthy boundaries. And your person, eto ang gustong i-embody. Sometimes life stings. So, dito, my loves, with wasp spirit, I also hear kung paano natin tingnan, kung paano nila gawin. Kasi ako nakikita ko yung wasp na to. I really admire them when they building their own home, their own house. Ito yung insects na to. Kung gagawa siya ng house nagawa sa clay, imagine napakaliliit ng kamay nila pero kayang-kaya niyang gumawa. So dito spirits wants them to harness this energy na dahil sa paulit-ulit niyang sinasabi to. Saan ba yan? Sometimes life stings. They have to admit that. Kasi masyado siyang egoistic, my loves. So they have to admit that and they have to start to build their own kung ano man yung gusto nilang gawin, castle or home. And vision. So hindi doon natatapos ang lahat. Your person to find enlightenment, they need to seek nowhere, for it lives within them. So, ibig sabihin dito, my loves, yung vision niya ang may malaking tulong factor sa kanyang mga gagawin sa future. So, kumbaga, kung sila ay may positive mindset, ay matutupad nila yon. So, sa'yo naman, my loves, with Armadillo, Stone Circle. In ceremony, you conjure a devotion so deeply in reflects thy worship into yourself. So, I also hear dito sa Stone Circle na to, you are protected with the divine, with your spirits, my loves. So, I hear na magpakatatag, be still, and believe in the process. So, kagaya ng mga batong to, my loves, na napakatagal nang nakatayo, matatag, my loves. So, kasama siya. So, have devotion to yourself, to this relationship, and let's see. The final card for this, embrace. To each other, you find the missing pieces. So, kung ano man ang nangyayari sa inyong dalawa, and learn to embrace each other. You have to accept them for who they are. Pero, my loves, dito kasi, this is strong confirmation na yung wholeness na tinutukol dito, the oneness, the wholeness, the sense of belongingness ay nasa inyong dalawa. So, wala kang kailangang ikatakot, my loves, because you are meant for each other. Kailangan dito, kung ano man, kung meron mang sabihin natin, parang minabalitaan ka na na-involve sa kanya, wag iset aside mo yan, my loves, because kagaya ng lumitaw dito, you are still the missing pieces of each one of you. Okay? So, kagaya din ng sinabi niya, this is the romance of a lifetime. And wala na siyang iba pang gusto kung hindi ikaw. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.